Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum Lift-Up Carpet Cleaner, a feature-packed vacuum designed for powerful whole home cleaning. If you're looking for strong suction, advanced filtration, pet hair performance, and the convenience of lift-away cleaning, this vacuum deserves serious consideration. One of the biggest highlights of the Kenmore Intuition is its powerful two-motor cleaning system. The dedicated motor design helps deliver strong and consistent suction across carpets, rugs, hardwood floors, tile, and other surfaces. Whether you're handling daily dust or deep cleaning high-traffic areas, this vacuum is built to maintain performance throughout the job. The lift-up feature significantly improves versatility. With the push of a button, the canister detaches from the main body, allowing you to clean stairs, furniture, upholstery, curtains, corners, and other hard-to-reach places. Instead of struggling with a full upright vacuum, you can carry the lighter lift-up section exactly where you need it. For households with pets, the included handy-made attachment is a valuable addition. Pet hair often becomes embedded in furniture, stairs, and upholstery. The handy-made tool is specifically designed to help remove stubborn pet hair and debris from these surfaces, making cleaning faster and more effective. Another major advantage is the sealed HEPA filtration system. Dust, allergens, and fine particles are captured inside the vacuum rather than being released back into the air. This makes the vacuum especially beneficial for allergy sufferers and households with pets. Cleaner floors and cleaner air can make a noticeable difference in overall home comfort. Unlike bagless models that can release dust during emptying, the bagged design offers a cleaner disposal process. When the bag becomes full, you simply remove and replace it with minimal exposure to dust and allergens. Many users appreciate this hygienic approach, especially in homes where air quality is a priority. Despite its powerful performance, the Kenmore Intuition weighs approximately 14 pounds, making it lighter than many traditional upright vacuums. This helps improve maneuverability and reduces fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Moving between rooms, cleaning stairs, and navigating around furniture becomes much easier. The included 3-in-1 combination tool further expands the vacuum's capabilities. Whether you're cleaning baseboards, shelves, blinds, furniture, or tight corners, the attachments help tackle a variety of household cleaning tasks without requiring additional equipment. The upright design provides excellent floor coverage, while the lift-away functionality offers flexibility typically found in more expensive premium vacuum models. Combined with strong suction, pet hair performance, HEPA filtration, and lightweight handling, the Kenmore Intuition offers a balanced cleaning package for modern homes. Overall, the Kenmore Intuition Bagged Upright Vacuum delivers impressive value through its powerful dual-motor system, lift-up versatility, HEPA filtration, pet-focused attachments, and lightweight design. It's an excellent option for families, pet owners, and anyone seeking reliable whole home cleaning performance. If you're interested in upgrading your cleaning setup, check out the product through the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.